To open a Green Dot account, you can start by searching for Green Dot on any browser, or by downloading the Green Dot app from your mobile app store. Once you've accessed the Green Dot website or app, click on the Open an Account option, where you'll be prompted to choose between a Green Dot Unlimited account or a Go Bank account, each with its own set of benefits and perks. Select the one that best suits your needs. Then proceed to provide the required personal information, including your first and last name, address, and zip code. You'll also need to verify your identity and agree to the terms and conditions. Additionally, you'll be given the option to receive marketing calls or text messages, which you can opt out of by unchecking the box. After confirming your information and verifying that you're not a robot, click Open My Account to complete the process. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully open a Green Dot account.